Yes. Okay, cool. So this is my October BOXYCHARM box. This bitch really said October. Do you know what today's date is? Cool. And then now I'm just going to fast forward through me opening the box. Ooh, look at the box. Woohoo! And in about 2 seconds, you guys get to see me react and go, okay, girl. Okay, cool. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is what it looks like. Without like tipping everything over. Okay. Let's see here. I have the Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge at MSRP price of $21. I literally have been needing a new beauty sponge. Mine is literally so gross at this point. Awesome. Woohoo! That's cool. What I'm using, I really like the shape. It's kind of like an 8 shape. And this is the first time I'll be using something that isn't like Beauty Blender, like official brand. So that's cool. Right in time. Next, ooh, okay. I have the iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Alrighty. And it's just, in the shade Nearly Nude. And this comes at the cost of $26. Ooh, I love that. Ooh! It doesn't smell like anything. I'm actually gonna wear it. Let's see. Damn, I really take that long to put on lip gloss. Like, okay. Glossy. Ooh, it's like a minty feeling afterwards. I love it. I'm always looking for a nude gloss. Ooh, yes, hunty. Yes. Ooh. Okay. Okay, iconic London. What is this? Okay. The LMS. The LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I have been really excited about starting just like a face care routine, like a skincare routine, because I really don't have one. Besides like washing my face with water, cold water, and that's it. Like I use Neutrogena makeup wipes to take off my makeup, and I literally just wash my face with cold water, and I don't have all these lotions and serums and oils, but I definitely want to start starting preparing my skin and protecting my skin. Starting preparing to protect what? Right now. And this is the Vital Veggie Mask, which comes at $35. So what is this? A nourishing prebiotic green mask.
Nourishing prebiotic green mask.
Wow, T, you can read the label. Ooh, it smells nice. I'm really bad at like describing smells, so I can't even be like, this is what it smells like. Oh, in my September box, I got this really nice Dr. Brandt mask lotion thing that you wear overnight, like a sleep recovery type of moisturizer. I'm literally so bad at this. I'm so bad at remembering. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, and it's bomb. But I'll get the September box later. Ugh, I cannot stop looking at myself. Yes, hunty. Okay. What is this? Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Cool. Cool. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Really pretty packaging, in my opinion. I didn't even show you the box. So this nice, like, holographic pink box. And the actual balm itself is this light baby pink color. Really cute. Yeah, that smells really nice. Ooh! My skin's gonna be so thankful. My skin's gonna be like, wow! Like, what a difference! Like, you're feeding us finally. Oh, fuck. I totally forgot I had a cut right there. That was really shitty. And last but definitely not least, comes in the bone wrap. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Dose of Colors, Marvelous Mauves. I'm obsessed. This comes at $32. 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shade. I fucking live for this kind of, like, color palette. Oh. Oh. BOXYCHARM was, like, the best thing I've ever decided to do. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. That's really cool. Wow. I can't wait to do a look. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That looks so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this real life? What the fuck? What the fuck? What? That's insane. I'm like actually shook right now. Like, this is gorgeous. I literally just like put my finger in it for like 1 second and it was totally pigmented. Like, I'm crying. I feel like I just received 2 boxes of free makeup. Like 2 days in a row. I'm literally obsessed. Like, I can't, like, what a steal. Like, I can't believe. I'm shook. Like, how is this even real life? Like, how am I that blessed? That I know that. I'm trying to close it off. I literally can already tell that this gloss is gonna go in my purse. Like, it's gonna become a regular. I gotta put my shoes back on. Oh my god. Bitch. Pose. I just need a second to pose. Yes. Yes, she